Hey everyone, RJ here. Welcome back to the channel, and today I'll be doing an unboxing of the all-new EKSA GT1 Cobra Wireless Earbuds. Okay, so first things first, I want to give a special thanks to EKSA for sending these out for unboxing and review for y'all. Now, this video here, of course, I'll be unboxing the earbuds, showing you the contents, what it consists of, as well as pairing to a device, and doing a sound test and a video test, checking for latency and all that kind of cool stuff. Now, these here are a really good price for what you're getting. These here are actually gaming earbuds, so we got to check all of that out as well with ultra low latency. So yeah, let's go ahead and dig in here into the unboxing. You can see right there, True Wireless Gaming Earbuds by EKSA, and it has this really cool Cobra head type design, which I find really nice. Now here on the side, of course, you will just see some of the details of where it comes from and stuff like that. Over here it does show you 38 millisecond ultra low latency, one button switch for game and music mode, and 30-hour ultra long battery life with a 500 milliamp hour case, which is really nice. And on the back here it does show you just a product name, Bluetooth version 5.0, shows you the speaker size is 10mm drivers, and all the other stuff that I'm really not really sure about. And the earbuds batteries are 50 milliamp hour a piece. So yeah, let's just go ahead here and we'll just flip off this top cover. All right, we got another case here and a little magnet here, so that's a really nice little presentation. And there they are. I mean, that is a very small little charging case. So we'll go ahead here and just, take it all out of the box. All right, put them to the side for a moment. So we got to also have a little packaging in here. Let's try to dig these out of here. And this here, of course, is your USB Type-C charging cable. Of course, here is your user manual. And if you decide to pick these up, I really recommend whenever you are setting up a headset, regardless of reviews or whatever the case may be, that you actually look over that. Now, I want to look and see here if it did come with any extra ear tips. So I guess I will look for that. Yeah, there they are. I feel them in there. They're all squishy. So it does come with extra ear tips for small, medium, or large ears, and all that kind of stuff there. So I'll go ahead, put all this back in the box, and we will go ahead and set up these new earbuds. So got the earbuds here on display, and you can see the nice little blue lights there flashing there on both. Just kind of a cool little look. Now I do want to say this, when I pulled them out of the box and was getting them all set up and everything, I was realizing I opened up the case door there on top, and it wasn't doing anything. No lights, no nothing. I plugged them into charge. They were almost fully charged. Like, what's going on here? Well, if you decide to buy a pair of these, right when you pull the earbuds out, right where the connector is, there's a little bitty piece of tape covering up the connectors to charge. So if you get these and you're like, why aren't they charging, why aren't they working, you might want to check the little connectors on the bottom, or on the bottom side there of the earbuds, so you won't be a little bit worried like I was. So that's all it was to it. Now I'm sitting here looking at the manual and just kind of, just going over a few things here in the manual. Like I say, if you decide to buy a pair of these, I recommend you just read your manual, okay? So it's very easy to work. It says, let's get started on and off and pairing. So what you got to do, of course, is have them charged up. And you want to take both of them out of the case to, of course, pair them to your phone. And also, whenever you take the earbuds out of your ears and back into the case, they will automatically unpair. Or you can power them on manually by holding down for 2 seconds. And you can power them off manually by holding them down for 10 seconds by the buttons here on the earbuds. All right. Okay, so for music, you can tap 3 times for voice assistant. You can tap twice for music game mode switch, and 1 tap for play and pause. If you want to answer a phone call, it's 1 tap. If you want to reject an incoming call, it's 2 taps, and the end call is 1 tap. And that's basically all there is to it. I mean, it's just very self-explanatory. It won't take you very, very long to figure out how to use these earbuds. Okay, so we're going to sit here right now. You can see right here the lights across here, like I said, it has that Cobra type design, and you can definitely see it has a really nice design to it. The case is a bit bulky, so if you want to put them in your pocket, you're going to fill them in your pocket, so it'd be good to put in a bag, something like that. It does have USB-C charging, so really nice stuff there, and all that kind of good stuff. Now these are gaming earbuds, so not sure how that works being wireless and everything, but I will test those out and give you those details in the full review. But yeah, these things look really nice. They're a really good price. And so let's go ahead right now and start pairing. Now for that, I'm going to use the Realme Narzo 35G to pair these up. So right now, we're in the pairing screen. Go ahead and open up the earbuds here, and we'll pull these out at the exact same time. And we'll just set them here right next to the phone. We'll have to refresh and see if, there we are, GT1 popped up right there. Yes, we want to pair. And boom, right there, we are paired and set up and ready to go. Now, I'm also going to do a sound test. I'm also going to do a video test to see if check for any kind of latency, anything like that. Let's go ahead here. I'm going to throw these in my ear to see how comfortable that they are. And we'll play some music through them and just see how they sound. All right, got the left one in there. These also have a noise canceling algorithm for clear communication as well. So testing all that out for call quality and all that kind of good stuff. So let me go ahead right now. Let's go ahead and go back home here. I'll pull up a YouTube video and we'll check the sound quality. Okay, so I got a song here pulled up here that I normally test when testing out Bluetooth earbuds. So I'm going to start out right now with the volume about halfway, and we'll go up from there and see if I can handle the full audio of these earbuds. All right. Definitely bassy. Whew. Very clear. Man. Yeah. Wow. Okay. That's about all I can handle at the moment. Oh, man. These things, if I was talking loud, I do apologize, but I'm telling you, these things do really cancel out the outside sound. And when these things here are turned up, they are very punchy. They have good trebles. They have good mids. I mean, it just like I was really in a concert, something like that. I mean, these things here are amazing. All right, so I'm going to go ahead right now and pull up a YouTube video just to see about latency. Let's go ahead and I'll pull that up now. All right, so I got this here pulled up. We'll go ahead and play it. Very clear, very crisp. Okay. Okay, so absolutely no latency whatsoever that I am finding right now with these earbuds. Okay, so no latency whatsoever. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the actual song that I was playing a minute ago, and we're going to check out to see if you can use these independently. So if I take one out, put it back in the case, will it play? Will it not play? Let's go ahead and check that out. Okay, so both of them right now are paired up to the phone. Let's just go ahead now. We'll go ahead and put them both in my ear. Start playing again. All right, good to go. Taking out one. Right earbud is still playing in my ear. All right, no problem. No issues whatsoever. It's still playing in my left ear. Take this back out for it to connect. Instant connection. Left one out. Back in. The right one's still playing. No issues whatsoever. Check for reconnectivity. Back in my ear. Already on. Okay, so they pair right back up when as soon as you're good to go. Okay, so let's go ahead and just take these out. We'll pop them back in here. And let's see how long it takes for them to disconnect. Okay, disconnected, as you see right there. Let's see if they will pair up, taking out one at a time. This one's out. Hear a little bit of noise in the background. See it blinking, and there you go. Boom, good to go. Now, put that back in there. The right one works. The left one will too. So right now it's still connected. Now it's disconnected. Let's pop them out at the same time. See how long it takes for them to connect to the phone. There you go. Connected, ready to go. No issues whatsoever. These things sound great. Try to keep this video as short as possible, but I do want to give you a few things about, these earbuds, okay? Like I said, these here are new, okay? They are called the GT1 Cobra True Wireless Gaming Earbuds. These are for gaming. Now, I got to test them out a little bit more about that to see how that works out and stuff. But these have Bluetooth 5.0. They have multifunction touch control. So, just a couple taps here and there, about like all Bluetooths. Now, as far as battery life, I got to do my own testing, but according to what I'm seeing here, gamers and music lovers can enjoy up to 36 hours of battery life, as the earbuds hold 6 hours of continuous playtime on a single charge and 30 hours of extra playtime in the case. And these are IPX4 splash resistance. So, you're getting a really good deal here. And one more thing that I do want to point out here is these have a thing called double hosting. So double hosting seamlessly connection is now possible with the GT1s. You can break through the traditional host to connect with the secondary host channel, even with only one earbud. So, there's a lot you can do with these. These seem to be very advanced for the price. The price of these right now are going for only $49.95, okay? That is a great deal, in my personal opinion, for what you're getting here. A very sleek design, very good sound quality, very punchy bass. It punches your eardrums. Very good, very crisp and clear. Sounds really good. $50 right now on sale from around $80. Now, these here are available on the EKSA website. I will leave a link down below in the description if you want to check that out. And if you're interested in buying a pair of these at checkout, you can put in promo code EKSA VIP, which I'm going to leave right here. 15% off if you so wish. So, really good deal. $50 for these, put 15% off of that. So, that's all I can say about these right now. So, if it's helpful and informative in any way, hit that like button. Any questions you may have, leave it down below. If you ain't a subscriber yet, please consider subscribing and clicking that bell for all notifications. I would be appreciated. Y'all have a good one, and thanks for watching.